how to install Android Studio in Windows 11. So in order to install Android Studio in Windows 11, first of all, what you need to do is go to the search bar of the search engine that you prefer, click on it, and search for Java SDK. Now just go to the first site that you've shown right here, Java downloads from Oracle, right? Click on it. Slide down and go to the Windows section and select the Into64 installer version. Just click on right here, this site right here, just click on it. Then after you click on the link, then select a folder in which you want to place the setup file, right? After you do this, the exe file will start to download. Now I have downloaded the setup.exe file, right? It just stays in my desktop right here. Just click on the file and open it. And after the file starts to install, just click on next right here, next right again. And now the Java setup is being installed in your computer. And then just go to the search bar of the Windows and search for CMD. After you search for Windows, after you search for CMD, then you get a command prompt right here. Click on the command prompt. And after this screen opens up, search for Java space hyphen version. Now, if you get like a message like this, then you're doing fine. Or else what you need to do, if you get an error or something, then you might have to download Java Path, right? PATH, which will help you to guide through the user interface. So unless you have any errors shown in this screen right here, you're doing perfectly fine. And then the next thing that you can do is just go to the search engine that you prefer again and search for Android Studio. And after you search for Android Studio, just click on the app that you're presented with first. And you can see the download button right here. Just click on the download button. Slide down, accept all the terms and conditions that you read, and then click on Download Android Studio Flamingo. And after you're done with it, save this setup file to some of the folder that you want to. .exe file will start to download. And now after you have had your Android Studio.exe file installed, it looks something like this, right? Just open the file, and what you can see is an installer. Now after this pop-up appears, just click on next and click on next again. After you do this, click on next again and click on install right here. Now after the installation is done with, just click on next again and click on finish. And just be sure to toggle this button on, don't toggle this button, right? Just be sure to toggle do not import settings. And Android Studio should open, and click on don't send right here. Now it needs some time to download add-ons and fix the environment as well, download some components, fix some components to Android Studio. And after the process is completed, just click on next and just make sure to toggle on all of these accept buttons right here, the first one and the second one and the third one. Just make sure to accept all the terms and conditions, and then you can just simply click on finish right here. And after you're done with it, it might take a bit of time in order to download the components for Android Studio. And that's it. After this process is done for, you have just installed Android Studio in your computer. And that's it. After you're done with downloading components for Android Studio, you can use the Android Studio without any trouble. So that's how we do it. That's how we install Android Studio in Windows 11. Thank you very much.